¿Qué pasa, amigos? In this video, I'm going to be making business cards and I'm going to show you the whole process. Luckily for us, the customer knows what he wants. Someone made him a business card previously and he has an idea of the design he's looking for. So he sent me the picture of it and I'm going to be working based on that idea. So let's go to my computer. Okay, here we got the sample he sent me. And now it's time to go and get an image that is pretty close to the one that's in the business card already. So let's go and get one. I'm gonna just type in cutting tree and I see one, but I'm gonna keep looking. Hopefully I'll find something better, but I think that one's pretty close to that, so let's go check. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be using that today, so let's download it. And now we have the file down here. Now let's go and copy the image. Should be in good resolution, so let's bring it up here, and that's according to the standard size, which is 2 by 3.5. And I'm gonna make a little square and I'm gonna add all the services for his business inside the square, just like the other image, but I'll be using green instead of black. And I'm gonna type in the company's name. Okay, now let's get a different font. I don't really like that one. That one's too thin. I like this one better. Yep. All right, yeah, I'm gonna be using this today. I'm gonna make it a little darker. And I'm also gonna add an outline so you can see it better. It's gonna be black inside and then the outline is gonna be white. Or maybe red, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the outline to it. Yeah, you can see it better. All right, so yeah, I'm liking it. Okay, I'm gonna type in the phone number and I'm gonna do the same thing, but it's not gonna go inside the square. It's gonna go under the letters. I mean, under the company's name, so. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna be using the same font as the name of the business, but I'm gonna make them a little bit smaller, the letters, for the tree services and roofing services. And I'll be doing the same thing. I'm just gonna use different colors, but I'll be using the same idea, the outline. Should look better now. Yep. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a little bit closer to the name, and this is where the phone number is gonna go. Same font, same idea with the outline. Okay, and I have all the services down here. And for this business card, I'll be making on both sides. I'm gonna be printing on both sides. It's gonna have the services and all the information on one side. It's gonna be in Spanish, one it's gonna be in English. So I'm gonna have to send the sample of both sides. So this is this side is in English. So. And I'm gonna add the fully insured services because he asked me to add that on there. So this is the basic idea. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it's already taking shape, and I just need to fix little things, little details. I think it looks pretty cool, so we'll find out. I guess the customer will tell us if it's good or not. Okay, and here we have the mock-up. I'm gonna send the customer approve of, before I actually make them, I'm gonna send him English and Spanish, because he asked for 2 sides and he wanted one in English, one in Spanish. So, and I'm gonna show you guys once I get them. So now it's time to send the customer the proofs and wait and see what he thinks. Well, good news, the customer was really happy with the design. So now it's time to send to print and just wait a few days to get them. All right, up here we got the picture of the business cards, and as you guys can see, it's pretty close to the design that I made for him, or I mean the digital sample that I made for him. In case you guys are wondering what the hell is going on with all the background noises, I'm just sitting outside. That's why you can hear all the bugs and birds making all the freaking noises, but it's not too bad, could be worse. And as always, we appreciate your support, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys until the next time. Have a great day.